Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is GSFS. So we are going to continue our forex tutorials or our forex education. So let's talk about other types in this video. We have some trades running. In the first video, I placed some trades here. We are going to talk about other types. So let's go back to quotes. Okay, let me start from explaining some of the bottoms in MetaTrader 5. Okay, so we have the quote. I have already explained to you where quote or what quote is. That's where you are going to get all your symbols or your pairs that you are going to trade. These are symbols or pairs. You see, we have this 75. We have a trade running here. This is Euro USDT. We have the chart. This will give you a chart of the currency pair. So if you want to view the chart for Euro USDT, you click on Euro USDT, you select chart. It will take you to the chart. You see, we are here now. You can see the chart for Euro USDT. This is it. Okay, we have the trade. This is where you see your balance, your profit and loss, everything you want to see here. So this is it. This is our balance, our profit and loss right now. This is our equity, our margin. I explain margin, equity and all this in the other video. So when you come to history, you are going to see what is going on with your account, your balance updates. So when you close any trade, it's going to update here. Let me close one trade. Let me just open a new trade and close it. Let me check this 10. Okay. This 10, let's buy this 10. And I'm going to close this one. So let me come to trade. You can see the V10 I just added here. So let's close it. When you tap on it, you close it. Okay, close with profit and hide. Okay, so when you come back to history, you will see this is it. You will see, so you are going to see details of everything about this trade. So when you click on it to expand it, no stop loss was placed, no take profit was placed. This is the swap and the commission session. This is the open and closing time. So when you check open, I open it. This is the time, and this is the date. So I open it. Today is 10th March 2025. I open it around 11:20. Okay, this is it, and this is the closing time. You see, so was it? Okay, 11:20 48 seconds. So this is 26 seconds. You see, so you are going to see every details about the trade. You are going to see the open price. I entered the market at this price, 6123.189, and I closed or exited the market at 6123.133. It means, see, I exited the market at a lower price, but I went in for a buy, so that's why I'm in negative 22 cents. So everything you need to know, you need to be able to read this, you need to be able to understand this, so that people can cheat you. You need to learn forex, you need to get the basics. These are all the basics. If you can read charts, if you can do this, then you can trade. Okay, let's come to our trade session. You see our trades are running here. So I've explained history, I've explained trade, I've explained charts. Charts entails a lot. Chart entails a lot because this is where you learn technicals. This is where you are going to place your technical indicators. This session is called the indicator window. So you can see currently I have RSI. You see the values of the RSI I'm having. You see I have MA is moving average. So I have the 100 moving average and the 5 moving average. Okay, so how do you get to your indicators? How do you add indicators? How do you do all these things? That one will come in another video, but in this video I want to explain the order types, what it means. So let's go back to code and try and get some new orders. So let's open V75. Let's click on new order. Okay, so when you come to this session, this is where you have all your order types. Market execution, it means we are entering the market at the current market price. So if you want to buy, you are buying at the current market price. Let's say you want to buy a pair. The pair is trading at one CD at the current market price, and we want to buy. It means we are going to buy at 1 CD. That's the current market price. Then we have the order or the stop orders. When you click on market execution, you are going to see all the types of orders you have. You have the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, and sell stop limit. So let's start with the limit orders. Buy limit. So when you want to place a limit order, let me go back to the chart and explain it better to you. Okay, let me use this. We are in VIX 10 now. VIX is the short form of volatility. That's why I'm using VIX. Okay, 6 minutes. That's why I'm using VIX always. VIX is the short form of volatility. So we are in VIX 10 now, and let's say this market is selling. So when I want to sell right now at the market, I can just click on sell. I'll enter at the market. Okay, let's say I don't want to sell. Let's say I have done my analysis and I know that this pair is going to, let's say, move from, let me bring the crosshair. This is your crosshair too. So to activate it, just click on it, you see, and this is it. So you can use it to move around your chart. As you move it, you'll be seeing the price here. So you see the price is moving. Okay, so let's say I have done my analysis and I know that this market is going to go down, but it's not going to go down at this point. Let's say it's going to come back up here before it continues going down, and I want to place a sell order. So I can't enter the market at this price, no. So I'm going to set a sell limit for the price 6144. Let's say 6144. So when the market, let me come back. Okay, go back. Let me move my chart. So when the market moves all the way from here and gets to this part and decides to come back down again, then my trade will be activated. I don't know if you are getting me. Let me place the trade for you to understand. The market is selling right now, as everybody can see, but I don't want to enter a sell here. I want to place a sell limit at this point, so that when the market retraces or go back up and decides to come back down again, then my sell order or sell limit order will be activated. So let's go to quote, then try placing a trade for VIX. It was VIX 100, VIX 10, sorry, VIX 10, volatility 10. So this is it, new order. So we are going to sell, but we are not going to sell at the market price. We are going to use a sell limit. So sell limit, you see, when you try using a sell limit, they will, Meta 5 will ask you what price do you want to enter the market. So this is the price. So we are going to enter the market at that price. The price is 6144. So 6144. So this is your stop loss, this is your take profit. I will show you that, I'll explain that one later. So let's just place a trade. This is your lot size. Let's take that lot size. So the trade has been placed. Okay, so what we did is we placed a pending order. You see, we are trade now. We placed a pending order. This trade hasn't been activated. You see, it's placed, but we haven't entered the market, so it's not activated yet. So this is a pending order. So you see, a pending order. these were market orders. We entered at the market price. So let's go to charts. You see what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so you see sell limit has been placed here. So if the market retraces, goes here and decides to come down, then this trade is going to be activated. That is what sell limit is. Then we have sell stop. Okay, so sell stop is, okay, let's say we did our analysis and we think that, or we saw that this price is going to continue going down, right? This pair is going to sell more, but we don't want to enter at this point. Let's say we are seeing some support here, so we think maybe the support might not be broken, so we are going to place a sell stop. So let's say we think that if this support is broken, then let's enter the market at this price, or let's come down, let's enter the market around 6114. So in this case, we won't place a limit order, we are going to place a stop order. Let me place a stop order. After that, I'll explain the two to you. Where is it? V10, new order. Then we move it from market execution to sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Okay, so you enter your market, your entry price. Okay, so 6114. Make sure you delete the zero, if not it's going to make the price invalid. Okay, after that we place our trade. Okay, so you see that's another pending order added to our trade. Volatility 10 stop, sell stop, and volatility 10 sell limit. So when you come back to your chart, we are still on volatility 10. You see the market is coming down. Okay, so your sell will be activated when the market gets to this point. Then your sell might have been activated. The market needs to move to hit your entry before you enter the market. You want to sell, all right, but you don't want to enter at the current market price. So we place a sell stop here. If the market continues in this direction and ends up at our entry point, then the trade is going to be activated. What the sell limit means is if the market decides to go up 1 2 3, then goes up, then decides to come back down again, that is when our limit order will be activated. When the market just moves back up like this and crosses this, limit order won't be activated. You see, market needs to come back again before the limit order will be activated. So you think the price will go up. Let me bring some, I don't want to confuse people with all this. Okay, let me use some symbols. Okay, 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 yes. Okay, so let's say in this scenario we expect the market to go all the way up here before coming back down again. That's why we set this limit order here. So the market needs to go up above our entry, then come back down before this order will be activated. That is what the limit order means. But when this market just moves down and gets here, our sell has been activated because it got to our entry point. So when you go to our trade, you will see that this is it. The sell has been already activated because it hit our entry point. You see, so that is what limit or pending orders mean. You enter at a specific price. Yeah, you don't enter the current market price. You set a pending order so that when the market gets to that price, the trade will be activated. So it's the same for buy stops and buy limit. What this means is when you enter a sell a sell stop, a sell stop. This is a sell stop. It means your price, let me put it this way, your entry price, this is your entry price. We are going to enter here. Your entry price is below the current market price. Take note to, this is our entry. Our entry was around 6114, and right now the market price is, let's say, around 61117. So our entry price is below. That's when we set this stop order. But when you want to enter and your entry price is above, this is the current market price. This line, these two green and red lines are the current market price, but we want to enter and our market price is above the entry price, then we are going to use a limit order. You see, so it's pretty simple. When our market price is above, we want to enter here, we have to use a limit order. The market needs to come up here and come down before our limit order will be activated. So guys, I think this one is pretty straightforward. I don't know if you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section of the video. Let me see the time, 16 minutes. Okay, so I think this video is long enough. I'll have to pause here and continue in another video. I don't want the videos to be too long. So thanks for watching. See you in another video.